It's the last day of rallies for Kenya's presidential candidates. And the campaigns are in full force. Deputy President William Ruto may be behind in the polls, but his Hustler platform has young people singing his praises. Like these guys here, dancing like die-hard supporters. But are they? What do you guys do professionally?
We're hustlers.
Hustlers, okay.
Yeah, we all hustlers, yeah.
Yeah. So are you being paid to attend this rally?
Yeah, we get paid.
How much?
Range from 500 shillings, that's around $5 to $10.
High unemployment and living costs has many Kenyans finding creative ways to make ends meet. I mean, we were just with these guys at the Ruto rally where they were singing and dancing. It was very believable. And now you've put on blue, white, red Odinga rally colors and you're going over to his side to campaign for him. I mean, this is why it's so difficult to know who's going to win this race. We follow them across Nairobi to the campaign finale of former Prime Minister and frontrunner Raila Odinga. So how much were you guys paid to attend this rally, Odinga's rally?
1,500, 1,500.
Yeah. 1,500, that's $15. So even though you're being paid to come here, you guys, are you going to be voting on Tuesday?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That's our democratic right.
Yeah.
We have to practice.
Are a lot of other people here being paid as well?
Yeah, they are.
So then how do you know who actually wants him to win and who's just here for the money?
Okay, you see, money is something that everybody wants. And when you are given money, you won't refuse to take it. But at the end of the day, you know where your passion is, where your vote lies.
This is Odinga's 5th time running for the presidency, and it's anyone's guess how his supporters will react if he's unsuccessful. What guarantees do we have that your supporters will remain peaceful if you don't win this election?
Of course, my brothers supporters are always peaceful.
But in 2007, at least 1,000 people were killed when you lost the election.
But that was because the elections were rigged. My people were dissatisfied. They were not the ones who actually caused the violence.
Appreciate your time. Thank you.
Wait, calm down.
Despite his assurances, there's no certainty that calm will prevail come next week. Yusra al-Bagher, Sky News, Nairobi.